Morning. We had a bit of rain yesterday, so I'm going to jump in the dozer and get some of the jumps tidied up, and hopefully some of these other bits that are covered in weeds, give it all a scrape over. So yeah, try and get that done before the dirt dries out again. Here she is. Get it warmed up. While she's warming up, I usually get it greased, check the fluids, clean the windows. Fuel tank of fuel. Alright, got our grease gun. Get some nipples greased. Sounds bloody lovely, doesn't it? That's not working very well. Right, there we are. Some of these are a pain in the ass. Change the nipples and they work fine, but I think the joints, the little holes are seized up a bit. So I don't like it. Right, so all the grease nipples done. Now I'll check the gear oil and the brake oil. Looks good. Yep. I had a full service on this not so long ago, so the oil's all lovely and clean. Right. Right. Hydraulic oil is good. Alright, we're all set. Brake up. Hydraulics up. Let's get down there. Right, let's start off with this hill. Get this cleaned up. Get these weeds out. I'm a bit in the shadow, but should be right. Yeah, get this cleaned up. Hopefully it's not too bad. It's quite hard because of all the different levels, me being a novice. give it a go. Go then. It's the hill done. Dirt's so good after some rain. But these fucking weeds. Yeah. Lovely. Alright, so here we got a double tabletop and a tabletop all in a line. So I've done the double, kind of just scrape the top off, blade it black on, and then track it in. But these stringy weeds are a pain in the arse, they just end up in big clumps like that. So it's not the best. Maybe I'm being a bit too finicky. Ow, spiky too. Yeah, double. Now I got this tabletop. See what I mean? Like, this is just piles of that weed scraped from off that. That's what it's like. So this stuff. Yeah, let's give it a go.
Broken sweethearts, who sleep apart. Most of fine, hillside spines, woman sleep shouts. And most of foes now shush. She makes the sound that she makes to calm me down.
Okay, tabletop's done. Jesus Christ. right, considering I nearly lost the GoPro under the fucking dozer track. Slightly higher on this side, or pushed further. Yeah, it's pushed further. Goes a bit like that. I must have pushed a bit too much here. Oh. Well, actually looking better. One more tabletop to do on this straight, and then the waves, and then we're pretty much done.
2 tabs on your tongue. I heard the shepherds, I heard the sheep sleep, now my only one. Broken sweethearts, who sleep apart. Most of pine, hillside spines, moon sleeps out. And most of pose, now shush. She makes the sound the sea makes to calm me down. So slippery, you're so thin. As I begin rubbing others out, your state worsens on my skin. And gold, Violet's finger to live 1, 2, 3, 4. To pose, now shush. She makes the sound the sea makes to calm me down.
Let's have a look and see how she looks from up our viewing area. Looking a lot tidier. Be a good spot to watch from when the pros are here. They always do these waves better than anybody with a normal set of cojones.